Hi everyone, it's Audrey from the recipe website 2pinkpeonies.com. Today I have my Magic Bullet juicer. It's a compact home juicer. I just got it because I wanted to make some at-home juice recipes. I know a lot of personal finance gurus talk about don't buy lattes, but can we talk about don't buy juices? Because those are even more expensive than lattes. Um, I wanted to be able to make some of my favorite juices at home. And one of my favorites is from Nekter. It's the Buzz. So let's get started. I have my magic bullet and let's get to juicing. So for this recipe, I have half of an orange, I have 2 carrots, and then I have about half of a green apple. I have about a fourth of a lemon, and then about a half inch of ginger, maybe a little bit more. I'm gonna just put it all in the juicer and show you what it looks like. Right, I made a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. We can clean it up. Um, this is what the juice looks like. I think it's really close to the Nectar version, but a much more budget-friendly option. So if you try it, let me know if you think it's close. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Be sure to check out my Copycat recipe cookbook. I'll link it below. You can get it in paperback or you can get it on Kindle.